goodness, since November 1st, ARM's up almost 180%, AMD up 87, Salesforce, up about 50 or so. Snowflake was up 40-something heading into that print last night, and that's our chart of the day for what you may, understand to be obvious reasons. As you take a look at the stock here, it's down about 20%. Stephanie Link owns this stock. She's been buying it lately. She joins us now because it's the worst day ever. At least it's on track for that, Steph. I think you're a little nervous going in and maybe a little upset coming out.
I am a little upset, but look, I think the stock, as to your point, it has rallied a lot. I only bought a small position. I know it's a volatile stock, and so I was looking to buy on weakness. This today is definitely weak, and I will be adding to it when I can. No question about it. The guide was disappointing. The CEO leaving, although he will be the chairman. The company's in the penalty box at this point in time. I get it. Maybe for the next couple of quarters, but long term, the big picture has not changed. The total addressable market for them is $248 billion. They have new products. You need data to support AI and to make AI better, and they have it. And they have, again, a whole slew of new products coming. Their bookings in the quarter is the reason why I have conviction in the long term, because bookings actually grew 33%, up from 25% sequentially. And they just signed the largest deal in the company's history, a $250 million deal for 5 years. So I'm not happy, obviously, but I am going to add because I do think the long term still makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, I think, Brad Gerstner of Altimeter has been tweeting a lot about it this morning. I think it's fair to say he's a little frustrated by the quarter. Obviously is still a long-term believer in the story, acknowledges the good and the bad. He would agree with you, obviously, with the as he characterizes it, massive Q4 bookings, best-in-class free cash flow margins, he cites. They do have the new CEO, Sridhar Ramaswamy, who, by the way, we visited with, may have been his first time on CNBC several months ago in our AI special out in San Francisco. So Slootman moves to chairman there. He does take issue, does Gerstner, with their comms department, maybe not articulating the story in the best way. That's my interpretation of it, certainly not his, but he thinks it's too conservative, maybe very conservative, but time will tell.
It is conservative, Scott, but I think a new CEO should be conservative. So we were expecting 30% product revenue growth. We got 22 for the full year. That's, I think, very conservative, considering what they have been putting up as of late. But I do think you have a new CEO who's trying to get at the lay of the land. They actually had 2 disappointing quarters last year, and they are trying to avoid that. Consistency matters. And so, okay, let's just slash the numbers and let's see what happens. And again, having these new deals, having these new products, I think makes a lot of sense and gives them momentum for the long term. And yeah, free cash flow margins are actually going to be for 2025, for fiscal 25 rather. I think they're actually going to be a little bit better than expected. The guidance actually is a little bit better than expected. And so they have to spend a lot this year. We have to wait and see on the demand side. But I really do think this is a great player in the long term.
Steph, thanks for making time for us today. Really important to hear from you on the other side of these earnings. That's Stephanie Link. You got a take on Snow?
My take is I really think this is an overdone sell-off, but I personally am not racing in here to do anything because I already own a bunch of these types of stocks, and I shouldn't really mix them all together, but I do feel to some extent you should only really have a few. So I'm not getting rid of CrowdStrike to buy into Snowflake, right? But at the guidance off by $15 million and the CEO stepping back to be chairman, and this is how many billions of dollars they wipe out of the market cap, it does seem like a lot. That being said, you live by the sword, you die by the sword. These are the types of stocks that do this. One day you feel like you're the king of the world. The next day they rip your heart out.
Yeah, especially ones that.
It's the game.
Yeah, especially ones that have gone up to the degree that that some of these AI.
No doubt, Cub Scout. Listen, look at the performance of the stock going into this.
Yeah,
like it doesn't come for free. It comes with higher beta, added volatility. Kind of toughen up a little bit.
All right, let's take.